Hey guys, we are going to finish our baby chick hatching out of an egg today. This is our egg that we created last week with a paper plate. We have some scissors, we're going to set those aside. We have 2 colors markers for our bird, we're going to set those aside, and a sharpened pencil. We're going to start on our paper on the right side, and we're going to start drawing our baby chick. And how we do that is start with a circle for the head. Does not have to be perfect. We are going to draw the beak, which is a curved line, and then point down like a triangle. Then we're going to go ahead and color that with our markers. So yellow for the head. Try to stay inside the lines. And try not to draw on the pencil marks because it smears. It's okay if you draw a pencil on top of the marker, but when you draw a marker on top of the pencil, you get a little bit of smudge there. Okay, orange for the beak. Like that. And then you're going to draw the eyes on top of the yellow marker. That way they don't smudge. Okay, now for the rest of the body, just another big circle. We're going to start right here. We're going to draw all the way around right here. Big circle. Just like that. That's our body. And we need wings. We are going to start right here. Go across here. That's where our wings are going to start. We're going to draw a half circle and then cut up. Same thing here, draw a half circle, cut up. Those are our wings. Color in the body with yellow and the wings with yellow. Remember to try not to draw on the pencil marks because it smears. You can see a little bit of smearing happening on mine. We don't want smears. Smears are not pretty. And yes, I know the markers are struggling. It's getting a little bit hard to color, but we're going to have to work with it. Sometimes if it's getting a little dry, you can take a break from coloring and doing something else for a minute, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to let that replenish itself by taking a break. And I'm going to work on my egg. Now, like I said before, we're going to cut this in a zigzag line to make it 2 parts, kind of like an eggshell. So, cut up, cut down, up, and down, up, down, up, and down. Okay. Now I have 2 parts. So when I glue them down, I'm going to have one here under my baby chick, and then another one off to the side like it fell off. Just like that. Okay, but before we do that, we need to finish our baby chick. So let me try my yellow, see if it's working a little bit better. And it is. See, just taking that little break makes the marker look a little bit better. Still struggling. Still drying out. But I can work with it now. Now, for the rest of your picture, like down here, you can choose what you want to do. If you want to do grass, if you want to do dirt, if you want to do just some fun colors, you can. But we need to have some ground that this egg is sitting on. So let me just finish coloring here. So somewhere in here you need ground. Best way to do that is start with a horizon line, which is where your ground stops and the sky begins. So this is ground, up here is sky. So from whatever you want to do here is fine, and whatever you want to do here is fine, just as long as they're different. Okay? Then when you're done with that, you can come see me and I will dab some glue on. And then you can put it right here under your baby chick. And I'll dab some glue on this one. And you can place that off to the side like it fell off. Just like that. Okay? I hope you have fun with this project. And I can't wait to see your baby chicks. Have fun.